can you handle increased volume as my business grows? Yes, that's what we're custom built for. I started this out 2 years ago as a lead generation company. What ended up happening is over the course of 3 months, we throw 150, 200 leads at someone and they'd go, hey, you're doing your job too good. Like, I don't know how to deal with 200 leads. Thanks. We got to pause. And so we were churning clients because the magic of cold calling and lead gen is sorting through leads and qualifying leads and figuring out which ones are good and not wasting your time with a bunch of just extra texting and follow-up calls to bad leads that aren't interested in selling. So I realized, hey, we're churning clients, not because it's hard to produce leads, but because it's hard to qualify leads. And so that's why we put all the resources into building a qualification system. All of the front end business that's a nightmare, from getting data, target markets, calling it, generating leads, managing a CRM, qualifying those leads, pushing the qualified leads to an acquisition manager, and then all of those hundreds of leads that aren't worth it now, finding a way to nurture those in a system that's manageable that you can scale up. Yeah, that's what we built. And that's what we're continuing to pour resources in AI. Our team is crazy. We've got 4 people working on GHL nearly full time. They're doing other stuff. We've got an awesome AI dev that I partnered with. We're trying to build just a killer land business system. And the reason I'm doing it is because I like working with entrepreneurs. Every person that I work with, I'm like, is this person someone that I could partner with? Is this a long-term relationship? That's why we say 6 months, because like it's not just 6 months, it's years. We're looking to partner with people. We want to get 10, 20 of the best land investors there are and just have a behemoth operations, just buying and selling all the land. So can we increase volume as your business grows? That's the goal. I'll show you a stepped up schedule. You get a discount every time you double the amount of leads. We start at 80 leads, then we go to 160, then we go to 240, 320, 460. We have one of our people's almost 500 leads a month we push to him now. And then we qualify those down with our lead managers from 500 to about 80 leads that are qualified that we send to his 2 acquisitions managers and his 1 salesperson. So yes, we're built to scale, and that's what we're looking to do with you.